Hey, welcome to my laundry room.
Hey.
I don't like just anyone in here, right? Okay, so Sabrina and I are going to give you some tips about how to do your laundry and really to do it cost efficiently and super clean. And not only that, but it cleans your washer out.
Yes, yeah, because sometimes these guys can stink depending on what you're using.
Especially these front loaders.
Yes, and then you don't have to keep the door open. Like it takes care of all that.
Exactly.
Which is nice.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So when we first got our front loader, I wasn't using essential oils at that time, and I was ready to get rid of it because it had that musty, icky smell in it. But when I started using my On Guard laundry detergent, which we're going to talk more about here in just a little bit, and this amazing oil called Purify, so I put a drop of this in my laundry loads as well. It took care of that icky, musty smell in there because this is very antifungal. And that's a fungus that causes that musty smell in there. So you're saving money and you're saving your machine, which is pretty awesome. So what's some of your favorite tips for laundry?
Well, I make my own laundry detergent. It's very simple. doTERRA has great laundry detergent, but there's all sorts of options. So everybody can do what fits
So why did you stop using it?
So I stopped using it because I live with 4 teenagers who do their own laundry and they don't know how to measure. So we were going through liquid so fast. And I'm like, you guys, no, this is too much. And so I make my own now, and it's only 1 tablespoon, and nobody has messed it up so far. So it's been much easier for us.
Yeah, so that's easy that way. But for me, it's just me and my husband, this is supposed to be 64 loads, okay? So when you're using a front load washer like this, when you take your cap off of your laundry soap, this is your measuring device. When you're using a front load washer, you are going to use 1 tablespoon of this. When you are using a top load washer, you're going to use 2 tablespoons of this. So literally, you're going to fill this half the way and then put it in your compartment here. And you were just telling me about softener.
Yes, don't buy softener, you guys. You seriously,
it's toxic too,
yes,
right?
Yes. So think about that. What you're washing your clothes in is then going on your largest organ, which is your skin. And especially if you have people with sensitive skin in your family and they're breaking out or having reactions, it could be your laundry detergent. So you need to see what you're using. But literally, vinegar can go in the softener part of your washer and just fill it however full it says. Everybody has a max line. I promise you your clothes will not smell like vinegar.
They don't.
It will make them very, very soft. We just started hanging our clothes out on the clothesline, and vinegar is helping to keep them soft even if the sun doesn't stay out the whole time while they're out there drying. So very, very inexpensive to use this instead of anything else. And you could add an oil to this. Sometimes I'll add Purify to the vinegar, or lavender or lemon. You can just add it right into the washer and scent it that way too.
So great ways to be able to save. So buy from your own store, right?
Yes.
So we have laundry soap. We're teaching you how to use, have your own softeners. I used to use those dryer sheets.
Oh, yeah.
Not only, were they toxic on our clothes, but they're waxy. And so they really can get into the motor of your dryer and mess up your dryer as well. So one of the things that I do now, instead of using dryer sheets, you guys, is use dryer balls. So wool dryer balls. You can get these on Amazon, I think 4 of them for like $12 or something.
Maybe. They're not that expensive.
They're not that expensive at all. And you do want to, I'm about ready to change these out. They've got some lint on them and stuff like that. But here's my trick. Do you guys see that? Okay, so a big old safety pin. And I've got a safety pin in at least 2. I use 4 dryer balls. So I want to have it in at least 2. And what that does is it diffuses the static in your dryer as you're using your dryer balls. So really good tip. I've had people use dryer balls and go back to the other anti-static stuff because they say, oh, my clothes are so staticky. But there you go. Okay, safety pins, that's your tip. And then also at the end of your laundry, what you want to do just to fluff it up, like maybe for a minute or 2 after your clothes are dry, put a drop of whatever you want. Yeah. Lavender, lemon. I use Purify because it helps to get out odors on those dryer balls, and just fluff it in there, and your clothes are going to have an amazing aroma.
You know what? I was just thinking citrus bloom would smell really good. Like, play with your scents.
Yeah.
If you hate it, then do something different next time. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So, but like sheets and things like that. Lavender, you know, or
Serenity.
Serenity, balance. I mean, lovely oils like that. My last tip is a great way to use this. I have never found a better stain spray in my life.
That's awesome.
And it's just this little 2-ounce spray bottle here. And I literally, you guys, I just barely cover the bottom of this bottle with this concentrate and then fill it up with water. And if I ever have a stain, this could be on carpets, this could be on furniture, on your clothes or whatever. I just spray. This is the best, you can see, stain spray that you can use. And it cost me pennies to make this, and it's non-toxic.
Right.
So, pretty darn amazing. Any other tips for laundry?
No, I think that's
good. And you're going to put up your laundry recipe.
Yeah, I can
laundry
share
soap
that.
recipe. Yeah. Okay. All right, you guys. Happy laundering. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.